Meal prepping potatoes is one of the easiest things you can make. Here's how I do it. Start with preheating the oven to 350 degrees. We want to cut the potatoes into small chunks. I find that chunks around this size seem to work the best. When you cut them bigger, the seasoning doesn't get spread as evenly and they don't cook as evenly. Now that everything's cut up, we're going to start putting it into our dish and then seasoning it. So I'll just start with one layer at a time. I'll kind of fill one level, season it, fill another level, season it. That way the seasoning is nice and spread out. I usually just use salt, pepper, garlic, and then one other seasoning. Like I have this Cajun seasoning. I recommend just going to the grocery stores, seasoning and spices aisle, even just places like Walmart, Sam's Club have plenty of different things, and find a few different things that you like or that you think you might like, and just get it, season it on. It doesn't have to be that complicated. Like you see, I don't measure anything out. You can, I'm sure, but to me it's way faster. I just season it a little bit, make sure there's a nice layer on there, not too much. I personally don't like that much seasoning. I like just a little hint of it, but obviously if you like more, then just chuck some more on there. As far as how much potatoes to make, I suggest just starting with one medium-sized potato per day and then go from there. If you like potatoes more or you eat more, then obviously make some more the next week. If not, make a little less. You kind of have to figure that out and dial it in over time for you. There's no magic amount of potatoes. It just depends on how much you like them and how much you eat. Now the only thing to do is put them in the oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Now that our potatoes are done, we're simply gonna put them into the final container, let them sit in here and cool for about 20 minutes or so before we actually put them in the refrigerator. If you have any questions about this specifically or any other foods you might want meal prepped or just questions about nutrition in general, let me know in the comments and I'll get to it as soon as I can.